Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys or explaining to you guys how you can see your password on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, the short version is you just can't. It is a very large security risk, and if you're willing to exploit that risk to get somebody else's password, I would advise you to stop doing that since that is breaking the law and you could end up in jail for it. Now, if you want to see your own password because you forgot it for some reason, sadly it's not possible this way and you're going to need to change your password. Now, if you don't remember your password, you cannot go to the account center and change your password like that, since it does require you to re-enter your current password. For example, if I go to password and security in the account center, as you can see, if I go to change password, select the account, I need to enter the current password and retype the new password twice. Now, since that's not possible, if you want to find it, there is one way which I know of. If you're using any password savers or some password managers, some phones have it, operating systems have it, sometimes browsers usually have it. For example, Chrome has it. You can very easily access that. If you've saved your login credentials, you can access that password manager and get to your password and see it from there. However, again, I would not advise saving it since it is a bit of a security risk if several people are using the same device as you. Now, if you want to change your password, you can just go to the login page, click on can't log in or forgot password, then request a new password reset link and just reset your password that way, and then write down your password so you don't forget it. But that is pretty much the only way in which you can find your password. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.